Meaning of docility.
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 Docility. Docility refers to the quality of being easily manageable or submissive. It implies a willingness to follow commands or to be trained. A docile person or animal is generally compliant and obedient, and is unlikely to exhibit disruptive or aggressive behavior. This trait can make them easy to work with or to control, but it can also make them vulnerable to exploitation or mistreatment. Ultimately, the degree of docility that is desirable or appropriate depends on the specific context and the values of the individuals or groups involved.